Sure. All right. Ready?
भाई थोड़ा सा लाइट बंद करना प्लीज।
ओके डन।
ये सरसराती हवा जाए चारों दिशा, ऐसे ही मुक्त मन मेरा भी हो गया। ये हवा सर सर सरिया, सर सर सरिया, क्यों ना लहरा के मैं भी दिशा दिशा नगर नगर जाऊं।
Thank you for joining us. See you tomorrow again.
मैं हट जाऊंगा वीडियो तुमको लेना है।
Cheers for Kids Fashion Week. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Cheers for Pooja! 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 Very good. Now I'll answer all your questions for Red Cup. Yeah, we got that. Order. Thank you so much.
इस बार सर पूछवाओ, वो नहीं पूछते मेरे
टीवी वाले
आ रहा सर, आ रहा।
Good evening to both of you.
Good evening
to you as well. Congratulations for the show.
Thank you so much.
Could you just describe your show and was it satisfactory according to you?
Yes, yes. See, my theme was Be You, and I've chosen the age group between age 11 to 14. And as you all know that, a lot of physiological changes are going on with them. So I just wanted to tell those kids, just be you, be happy, and every kid is beautiful. So, what happens is they have their role model. Okay, I want to look like them, I want to look like them. But you yourself are beautiful. So you be a star in yourself. And look at the attitude they were walking. They were superb. So this is what I was trying to portray in that.
Okay, tell us about the attire of Pooja.
मैं क्या पूछा था कि how was it walking on the ramp with the children?
It was amazing. I think कि उनका जो energy है कभी भी ऐसे match नहीं कर सकते हैं. But I think these are the best set of models I've seen amongst all the fashion shows. Overall, I thought that the show was brilliant. I don't know about the viewers, but I definitely enjoyed the show backstage.
बच्चों के you were encouraging the girls also. That was
Yeah.
really nice of you.
I mean, I just love children in general, but I think in a lot of ways they were encouraging me क्योंकि उनके उम्र में I think I was hiding under a bed somewhere. So it's great that they have this level of confidence and belief in themselves. So not encouraging. I mean, I'll be happy if you say that, but I was just having fun. That's all.
And she was really doing that. I mean, I was amazed. Very good.
Even you give the due credit to her during the final bout.
Because she is the hero of the entire show today, because her clothes are what makes it. I was just telling her that उनके जो कपड़े हैं for every age, they are being themselves. They're frilly, they're girly, So they're not trying to be another age, which I think kudos to her. She's done that really well.
Pooja, एक चीज़ है कि like since your team members are saying like we have to finish fast, so ये था कि Independence Day नहीं आ पाए.
अरे you took it that day, no? Toilet की screening पर?
नहीं यहाँ पे अलग माहौल है.
हाँ बोलिए. बोलिए.
चलो freedom वाला हो गया क्या?
हाँ हो गया ना, कितने बार वही करूँ?
तो एक नई तरह से wish कर दीजिए मतलब.
Yes, I would like to wish all the viewers a very happy Independence Day.
Okay, एक चीज़ इनसे पूछनी थी.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कुछ बदलाव आने वाला है या फिर
अगर बदलाव आने वाला है कि नहीं वो तो देखेंगे फ्यूचर में क्या होता है, लेकिन आई पर्सनली रिस्पेक्ट प्रसून जोशी अ लॉट, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट ही इज ऑन द बोर्ड नाउ.
विद्या बालन भी जुड़ रही है उससे.
Yes, so
आपको लगता है कि नया पर्सपेक्टिव रहेगा उसमें?
एब्सोल्युटली, क्योंकि ये जो नया लॉट आया है, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई वांट टू सी व्हाट हैपेंस, बिकॉज आई थिंक कि दे ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड हाउ फिल्म्स आर मेड एंड आई थिंक दे गोना डू अ गुड जॉब.
पूजा जी, इसके अलावा हम एरियल योगा करते हो.
हाँ, एरियल सेल क्या
कोई खास वजह?
नहीं, आई जस्ट लाइक डूइंग द डांस. एक्चुअली मुझे हाइट्स का बहुत बड़ा फेयर है, तो इसलिए टू गो ऑन लाइक 20 feet हाई एंड इट्स नॉट योगा एक्चुअली, इट्स लाइक अ डांस. It's a little more difficult. So you go on like 20 feet height and you hang and you do these different dances. It's very liberating.
तो इसका मतलब हम ऐसा ये माने कि आपकी जो अपकमिंग जो नेक्स्ट फिल्म हिंदी,
हाँ, इनके बारे में बात करते हैं ना अभी. हाँ, डांस के पे बेस्ड होगी, पता नहीं, देखते हैं. लेकिन आज का जो फंक्शन है, होपफुली आई विल बी एज फ्री एंड एज नॉन, व्हाट इज़ द वर्ड, in non-inhibited, like how these kids are. They're very free, they're themselves. So whatever it is, I hope I become a child again. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.